Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about text of logo on Wix.com. So guys, if I want to change this font or text, then how will I do? So I don't want this text on my logo and I want to change it in my own words, and I want to change my logo name. Then how I will do? Simply I will go to the text, and here I will write my text. So now I'm going to write over here. So I've edited my text over here. You can change its alignment, but I don't think I need to change its alignment. And you can change the capacity of your text. And now I want to keep this with my logo. If I increase, okay, as you can see guys, my text has been totally changed in my logo. So this is how to change text in logo on Wix.com. So guys, hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one.